Welcome to ATech. Today we will discuss that how we can change language of Facebook. So first of all, open your Facebook profile. Then on top right corner select these three lines. Here you can see multiple options. So we will go to setting and privacy option. Here you can see a lot of options. So at the bottom you can see languages. So we will select it and you can see different major languages in this section. So you can scroll and find your language. You can see there are a lot of languages. So you can select according to your interest. I am selecting first one, that is Urdu. So you can see my language is changed to Urdu. So in this way you can change your language very easily. So you can also undo and change it again to English. So if you like my video, please share it with your friends and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.